beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kat. This is my channel and this is day one of Vlogmas 2021. I am so excited. I'm excited. I'm a little scared. This is the second time I've done Vlogmas and you guys really liked it last year. Be sure to subscribe for the 26 videos because I'm gonna put, I think, the Christmas Day vlog up the day after Christmas. But yeah, you're gonna get 26 videos, hopefully, if I can do this correctly. I have a few things planned. I have a lot of days where I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. On days when I don't have anything to do, I have some pre-filmed like VSG content for you guys, some more tips and tricks videos for those kinds of things. So you will not be missing any VSG content as well, because I know a lot of you are new here on my channel because of my weight loss journey. There will be a place for that here in Vlogmas. But today, as you can see by the title of this video, I am giving you a tour of all of my 2021 holiday decorations. I do have some new things and I'm so excited to show you, so let's just jump right into it. All right, you guys, so here's an overview of the living room. So excited. Rory even decided to be part of the decor today. But let's just start over here in the corner. I have this little table that I inherited from my grandmother that I think was actually my great-grandmother's. And I love this. It's so beautiful. This is one of my favorite candles. And this was from Brett growing up. You'll see some of those around the house. And then we bought the little tree in Hilton Head. In the window, we have some trees that light up at night that you can see from the front, so I will take a shot of that and insert it here so you can see my beautiful trees. I love these. We got them at Costco years ago, and they just kind of change lights. A lot of my lights are on timers, and when I'm filming this, they're not on yet, so I will take some night footage as well. We have our entryway table. I love this. Super pretty, just a couple little extra trees on the side. And then I have our ornaments. This one's turned the wrong way, that I made our salt dough ornaments that I did in last year's Vlogmas. I didn't know where to put them. We haven't set up our sentimental tree yet. It's going in the basement. So, but here's this. We have more sentimental ornaments from when Brett's grandfather passed away. And then my mom buys me a beautiful poinsettia every year. So this is the one she picked out this year. When you walk into the house behind the living room, I guess we should get to this first, we have our little bench. The house was staged with a bench like this and we loved it, so my mother-in-law found this bench for us. And I have a little basket with just some wood and such in it. A couple little trees. I found this beautiful print of the Kansas City Plaza lights at the thrift store for $1.50, and it is hand signed by the artist, which is amazing. And then we just have an amaryllis and a little bottle brush tree and another one of the presents from Brett's childhood. On the back of the door we have Christmas ribbon and our bell. Our dog rings a bell to go outside, so we have a Christmas bell for her to ring. Okay, onto the couch. I just have a couple of things on my Lazy Susan. I don't know, I'm not in love with this just yet. It needs something else, but it's there. This is where I work. I work from home. I've got some cute pillows from Home Goods, and the couch actually came with the houndstooth and plaid pillows. The couch did not come with this angry looking feline. What's with the ears? Oh, big yawn. She's a happy girl. This is where the cats usually sit. Noodle is probably under the bed right now. And then over here we have the mantle and the fireplace. I think it looks amazing. For those of you that don't know, my mom was a florist, so she does a lot of my greenery, my wreaths every year she does. She hasn't touched this one up yet, but it looks pretty good for the time being. Down on the bottom I have some candles, and like this one is one that lights up on a timer. Timer hasn't gone off yet, so we're gonna have a fire tonight, actually. Over here, I just have a few things that I've thrifted throughout the years, and I just got these beautiful cranberries from Michael's, I think, last weekend. Okay, so moving on to the actual mantle itself. The greenery came from Hobby Lobby, and then all of the actual items came from various places, including the painted sofa, I thrifted a lot of the candlesticks. I have a few live plants. I've got a couple snake plants up here. I love these candy cane trees. I think they're so beautiful. I wanted to do a candy cane theme because of the actual tree. But there's the beautiful wreath. I love it. I got this red poinsettia candle holder. I guess it's a hurricane technically from Home Goods this year. Love that. My mom got me this candle holder from Bath and Body Works last year. Beautiful. Over here next to the TV stand, I just have my great-grandmother's antique chair with some pillows on it. It always has a grow light for the two big monsteras. So it looks a little funny, but what can you do? For the TV stand, I just have some various things. Inside the TV stand, we've got some Bath and Body Works candles and some bottle brush trees, little fairy lights, another candy cane tree, and just some greenery and a giant peppermint. And then again, more light up candles. They're starting to turn on. And another present, and then the tree. This is our Believe tree. We love this. My mother and father-in-law come and put the tree together for us every year. It is so beautiful. They always put all of the candy ornaments on it for me. I love this tree. It's so festive and traditional. The tree skirt was my mother's. She gave it to me. So that was my tree skirt growing up. I just love this tree. I can't wait until we build our next house, whenever that is, and we can do this tree but on a larger scale. This is a 7-foot tree. I want like a 12 or 15-foot tree in the same motif. I think it would be so pretty. Another thing to note is we have cards in our tree. So we do Christmas cards in my family, and once you get your cards, you tuck them into the tree until Christmas morning. Moving on to the kitchen, I have a few things in here on top of the fridge, as well as our Christmas tray. This is a Spode Christmas tree tray that you can see that we keep our coffee things on. Over here I have a candle that will turn on with the timer, as well as one of the new Bath and Body Works wallflower scent thingies. I love this. It's so cute. I was looking for this and then I found it on Black Friday in my store. So excited. We also have the barn wallflower over here that has the projection of Santa and his sleigh on the wall. We love this. I will say it's super, super bright though. Next up, we have our beautiful dining room table. I went a little bit more low-key on it than I have in other years, but I always put my little sparkly Christmas village up here. I got these at a Kansas City kind of convention. Let me see, the lighting's a little bit better, but the lighting in the dining room is not. The lighting in the dining room is not great, but these light up, so I will get a shot of them at the dark. They are so pretty and glowy. The pine cones also glow, and I just love these. I went crazy in the living room, so I really kept the dining room kind of simple and easy. I even did a little bit of decorating here in our guest bathroom. It's a little dark in here, so let me flip this on, but you can see what it looks like when it glows at night. But we have some really pretty greenery, and that little guy came from Bass Pro Shop. And then in this corner we have some more bottle brush trees, a little Christmas cat hand towel, and just a little sign from Home Goods. All right, the last place I decorated for Christmas is my bedroom. This looks so pretty. We've never put this tree in here. We always put it in the kitchen. And so this is our ocean tree. Before we get to that, I'll show you the couple of things that are on our dresser. I just have some kind of classic golden glass trees. And then I actually have a fall candle still burning, but I want to get through it. I just have a couple of white and gold and glass trees here as well, keeping it kind of neutral. And then the tree. I love it. It is so pretty. Again, my in-laws put this together for us. I always buy all the ornaments and then they just throw whatever I want onto the tree and they make it look beautiful. So let me turn on a light so you can see the ornaments a little better. Okay, so coming up a little bit closer, you can see we have a lot of really beautiful sea and ocean themed ornaments here. The floor is squeaky. I even have a few ornaments that have actual sand in them, which is really cool. This is my favorite one with the dark ombre blue. I love this ornament. So I put it on the side of the tree so that I could see it from my side of the bed. They're just so pretty. I got a lot of these at Joann's. The pearls and the sparkles, but... And then the tree topper up here is actually from my in-laws as well. They picked this up in Destin last year, and we used it as the tree topper for the first time last year, and we loved how it looked. So they put it up again this year. So there you guys go. There was my tour of my holiday decor. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe for the next 26 days of Vlogmas, and I will catch you tomorrow. Love you, Warrior Crew. Bye!